9 incredible things that happen when you replace all drinks with water. Have you ever thought of replacing all the harmful drinks with water? We know what harmful drinks can cause you: heart problems, obesity, stomach pain, skin diseases, immune system dysfunction, caries, liver problems, pancreatitis, cancer, etc. This list sounds so scary, so I don't want to continue it. But what if we replaced all drinks completely with water? What will happen to our bodies then? This means cutting out all beverages such as caffeine, teas, sugary and carbonated drinks, and replacing those with water. Water is the essence of life on our planet. It keeps us hydrated, flushes toxins from the body, and reduces the diseases and ailments. But while we seemingly know all these things, soda and alternative drink sales are continuously exploding every year. Chris Bailey, a popular blogger and lecturer, carried out some month-long research about this topic. His conclusion is really impressive and surprising. We decided to summarize this research for you. Hold on tight and keep reading. These facts might shock you. Number 9. Yes. You do. No special diet is required. You just replace all the drinks with water for 9 days and you'll lose the same amount of calories as if you were jogging for 8 kilometers a day. Wow! This is crazy. This seems to be a great way to stay slim without much effort. I'm going to try it out. Are you? Number 8. Your brain works better. Did you know your brain is 75 to 85% water? Nothing else, just water. So by drinking water, you fuel it, thereby helping you to concentrate. Drink water to work more efficiently. Cope with all daily tasks quickly and stay energized. Even late in the evening. Doesn't this sound like a dream? Trust me, try it and you will notice the difference in few weeks. The average amount of water you need to drink every day is about 8 glasses, but the amount depends on each body needs. It differs from person to another, but to be good, stick between 2 to 3 liters a day. Number 7. You will speed up your metabolism and thus raises your energy level. Drinking just 17 fluid ounces of water in the morning increases your metabolism by 24%. Write it down on your calendar. Drink plenty of water every day and you'll see the impressive results very soon. Number 6. You eat less. Water suppresses appetite, which helps you lose weight. Also, we sometimes confuse hunger with thirst. If you suddenly want to eat something with high calorie, maybe all you need is just a glass of water. Try it out next time you feel hungry. It really works. Number 5. Your body excretes toxins faster. Water washes out harmful substances, preventing aging. Want to look young and fresh as long as possible? Drink a glass of water right now. Number 4. Water lowers the risk of many diseases. Which diseases? Oh, a lot. Like hypertension, bladder conditions, bowel cancer, and others. Want to avoid wasting money on doctors? Just drink more water. Number 3. Your heart works better. Yes, it's a true fact. 5 glasses of water a day lowers the risk of a heart attack by 41%. 41. This number is really impressive. So, what are you waiting for? Have a glass of water to stay healthy. Number 2. Your skin becomes softer and cleaner. Water clears and moistens your skin. Trust us. After a few weeks of drinking water every day, you will fall in love with your skin again. Number 1. You save a lot of money. How much money do you spend on coffee to go? And juices per week? Well, I don't want to say how much I do because my spending is massive. The price of water is much lower than that of other drinks. Think about it. So, has these amazing facts impressed you? If so, share it with your friends.